About to do this door handle on this Altima. It's an 05 Nissan Altima. Common shit. See? Boom. Gotta handle that. I did a video on the rear, but I didn't do the front. Alright, now, this is mad ghetto. We have to open it like this. Like so. Let's start with this thing right here. Connect this right here. Take that off. Okay. To the side. Now, you have to pop this up here. Be careful, sometimes these are fragile. Okay, there you go. Alright. Now let's remove these connectors off here. Start with this one right here. This is the first one. Let's see. Okay. Right here. And this last one. Alright, now as you see, there's a slot over here, cover over here. Let's pop that shit out, like so. Okay, should be a screw in there. Screw, Phillips. Pop that shit out. And should be another cover over here in here. You see that? Let's pop that shit off. Okay, this little piece in here. Put that off, and there's a 10. That's a 10 mil. 10 mil, I already took it out. I already took it off. But, okay, right here. 10 mil. Oh, shit dropped. Alright, once you do that, let's pop this off. See it? 10 mil right here. Let's pop this rest off. Oh yeah, you gotta remove the this trim piece over here. Okay, get that off. All right. Now, so you're gonna see these over here. I take off. And put this to the back or somewhere. Alright, guess somebody came here already, because usually there's a cover over here. Like this one. So we could get the window bolts. Alright, now we have to reconnect this switch so we can line up this hole with the window so we can take the window out. Because the window can't be there while we do this window glass. So let's take this off. And you got to take all these wires out too. Take one of these picks, take it out, or use a blade. Now let's put the switch back. Put down the window. Line it up. Okay, one's missing over here. And there's a 10 right there. Take that off. Okay, drop this out. Might drop. Could get that later. Okay, it's dropped. Alright, now let's just move the window out the door. Okay, now I already took this off, the connectors, this off, this connector, and the whole wire here. Now we have to remove all these bolts. Now let's take that out. I say this power only. Alright, now. Alright, take out all of them then. Take out all these bolts. Let's do. Once you do that, take this out. All right, so it's the outer, and you gotta take out the 4 bolts for this. Some reason this thing wasn't popping out with this connected still. Guess it was stuck to here. It was kept hitting over here. But hey, if yours come out without that, then good for you. See, look, their bolt fell. See, I see the other bolt that was missing. It fell, and now this is your handle over here that we're going to remove. We about to remove this 10 mil, and there's another thing right here we have to pop out to get to it. You see, look, see? I might just rip this out because it's really not that important. Really not. But if you want to put another tape there or something, you can. I am not. Okay. It's garbage. Now, this 10 mil right inside there. I don't know if you see. It's right there. You see that 10 mil? Oh, that's on the handle. But anyways, there's a 10 mil inside here. You have to get to. It's right in there. I don't know if you see my finger. It's right here. Alright, you get the point. You see it inside there. This is the 10 mil. You see? You put it in through here. And straight to that bolt. Right in there. You see? Put it there. That's the only bolt it goes to. It goes straight to. So we're going to loosen that, and we're going to take this off right here. Right here. Okay, but first, you're supposed to, I don't know why I forgot that. You got to take off these clips off this right here. All you do is remove this thing. Let me show you, like this. It's pretty hard sometimes. You gotta swing it up. It's that pink thing. See if I can use one of these without cracking it. If I crack this thing, I am fucked. To tell you the truth, I am fucked. Oh, let me show you that. Okay, see that? Popped up just like that. And all you gotta do is take this hook thing and just swing it out like so. Okay. And there's another one right down there. Well, right back there. It's right down there. You have to swing that back too. I can't really show you that because it's pretty tight. So take that off too, and it should wiggle out after that. It's 10 mil. It's like orange. Just pop it off. All right, once you do that, swing it over. You got to remove these connectors out there. Let's clip things. Take this off here. Okay. Just wiggle it and it should pop out the other way. Okay. Now for this wire, let's try to take it off while it's still on there, because I don't want to take this whole thing off. I see I do mad work to take it out. So I'm gonna just stick it off the lock. Okay, so see, it's stuck to here with a 10 mil. Let's take off this 10 mil. Alright. Take that off. Remove this lock. Now let's get the new one, put it on the same way, and put it on reversed. Alright, as you see, this is the old one, and this is the new one, fresh. Alright, so reverse, put this in here, like so. Should fit like this, okay? Put the 10 mil here, the top one, and don't put the bottom one yet. Alright, now let's put it inside the door and put everything all back together. Make sure when you push this in, is a bottom thing that snaps on there. So it's right there, this thing. Make sure it goes in and it snaps. Make sure it snaps, or else it will be still loose. All right, so let's put the screws on here, one down there. And now we're putting the one that's over here. As you see, the one that's coming out in this door. Well, in this door. Now let's put these little links on there. That goes right there, and there's one over here. See this one over here? It goes right on this one. Alright, so I'm gonna make some room here because it's pretty tight in here. So I'm gonna put it together, then you'll see that after. Alright, everything's on. See, the top is on. Top and the bottom is on over there. Over here, you see that? That one's on. Alright, now let's put everything back together. Let's start putting the black piece over here. So we can drop the window down and put it, bolt it on. Alright, I put all the bolts on. Now let's get the window, drop it down to the hole, and bolt those on. Alright, make sure these things are lined up with the corners. And as soon as you drop it, it's aligned. As you see, I'm dropping it down slowly, you see? Till the holes line up. Alright, put the bolt, both sides, and tighten it. Let's put this connectors back. Connectors, wires, harness, whatever you want to call it. These back. Alright, some completely came off. Back piece fell off. This should do for now. You can put the window up when you're done. It's not crazy. It should be lined up. Now let's get the door panel, put it on. Forget, put these on first. Pull this out, the harness for the switch. Line this up. Okay. Alright. Bolts in, 10 mil. Another screw in here. Don't forget to put your cover back on there. There. And you're right here. Let's put the switch. Okay. And that's it. Make sure you test your window. Yes, sir. Don't forget your plug here for your door light. Okay, there you go. All right, that's good. Make sure you test the door. All right, make sure it doesn't snap off either.